Okay, so part two, I just muscle tested what tuning forks we need, and it's a combination of stomach energy, which is external sympathy, and externalizing empathy. So it's for the empaths out there who are just taking on the collective sorrow of the planet at the moment. But it's driving liver energy, which is internalizing anger, rage, malice for those who are harming. So we need to have more empathy for everyone on the planet who is trying to be a good person. Once again, whatever side of the coin we're sitting on, it doesn't matter. If we're trying to do the right thing, we deserve that love and respect of those around us. And like someone pointed out, I'm too far down the rabbit hole. I've done 500 hours of research into what is going on. So I know too much at this point. I can't switch it off and unknow what I know. I simply can't. So here I am. So the flower essence is holly, and holly is one of the Bach flower essences for it's in the emergency essence, a rescue remedy that's been around for a long, long time in the Bach flower essence range. So it's a combination of stomach energy, liver energy, empathy, internalized liver, and so now I'll start the meditation. Okay, part three.